and welcome back YouTube. This is your PROSTREET BIKER here from Coimbatore. Actually towards Salem. Yeah. Yep. Fine. So actually I've already covered around 10 kilometers away from Coimbatore, but still I'm not able to. So already I am around 10 kilometers away from Coimbatore, but still I couldn't catch this highway, NH47. So it seems like some minister is going through this route. I don't know, actually I don't know who's that minister exactly. So keeping this as a reason, cops are not allowing any of the vehicles to enter into this highway. So for almost around 10 to 15 kilometers I'm traveling in the service road itself. So you can see the traffic. என்ன மினிஸ்டர் போனாங்க? யார் போனது? கவர்னருங்களா? So actually it was not any minister, so it was the governor who passed this through this way. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this concept. Actually the governor has already passed through this way, but still these cops are making us to wait. This is public nuisance.
A few moments later.
Whoa, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
போயிருவீங்களா? பார்த்து மெதுவா போங்க.